Students, now on the basis of basicity, the third type of acids are called tri-basic acids. So tri-basic acids, now here tri means three, so these acids are those which produce 3 hydronium ions per molecule. That is, these acids have basicity 3. Now examples, I have phosphoric acid H3PO4 and tartaric acid. Now students, phosphoric acid, I have drawn a structure of phosphoric acid and it is an oxy acid. And now you see this acid has how many OH groups? 3. And from these 3 OH group, this hydrogen is ionizable and thus it has basicity 3. Now students, I have tartaric acid, and tartaric acid is an organic acid. It has 3 carboxyl groups, so it is organic acid. It has 3 carboxyl groups and 1 hydroxyl group also, but the H of carboxylic group is more ionizable than this, so only these 3 hydrogens undergo ionization in aqueous medium. So this acid has basicity 3. Now students, like dibasic acids, tribasic acids undergo ionization in 3 steps. So these ionize in 3 steps. For example, look, phosphoric acid, in first step it loses 1 hydrogen and therefore forms 1 hydronium ion, and the acid radical which we get is H2PO4, 1 negative, that is dihydrogen phosphate. Dihydrogen phosphate then undergoes further ionization to give 1 more hydronium and monohydrogen phosphate, and then this monohydrogen phosphate then undergoes further ionization to give 1 more hydronium ion and phosphate ion. So overall, when we add these 3 steps, we see that 1 molecule of phosphoric acid upon ionization produces 3 hydronium ions, so therefore it is a tribasic acid. Now students, since this is a tribasic acid, upon ionization in 3 steps, it produces 3 different acid radicals. This is the first acid radical, this is second acid radical, this is third acidic radical. So therefore it forms how many salts? It forms 3 salts. So such an acid, when reacts with a base, it forms how many salts? 3 salts. Now one of the salt, say with the basic radical, say sodium hydroxide, say sodium aayega, to it will be sodium dihydrogen phosphate. Here with sodium, rather 2 sodiums, so we have disodium monohydrogen phosphate, and here with metal ion sodium we get another salt which is sodium phosphate. So because it has 3 different acid radicals, there are 3 salts. Now out of these 3 salts, these 2 salts contain ionizable hydrogens, so these are acidic salts. So these 2 salts are acid salt. These are acid salts. So out of 3 salts, 2 are acid salts, and this does not contain any replaceable hydrogen, so this is a normal salt. Now students, next type of acids are tetrabasic acids. Tetra means 4. So these are acids which produce 4 hydronium ions per molecule upon ionization in aqueous medium, which means these have basicity 4. The most common example of tetrabasic acids is silicic acid, that is SiOH4. So here silicon is attached to 4 OH groups, and from these 4 OH groups, these 4 hydrogens undergo ionization, so it has basicity 4. So this is it students for today. Thank you.